This is a short video presentation on solving quadratic equations by factoring. We will learn many ways, four ways probably, to solve quadratic equations. Solving by factoring is the easiest by far. First of all, we need to learn about the zero product property. Zero product property. This is something you already know. We're really putting a name to an idea that you understand. If I have a product of two numbers and it's equal to 0, I'm multiplying any two numbers, I don't care what they are, any two numbers, they multiply to be 0, what has to be true? Either A is 0 or B is 0. Or they're both 0. But in order to multiply two numbers together and get 0, then A or B must be 0. Likewise, if I have two factors, 2x plus 3 times x minus 4, and it's equal to 0, then the only way for that to be true, 2x plus 3 must equal 0, or x minus 4 must equal 0. If I have two factors, binomial factors, and they're equal to 0, their product, then one of these has to be 0. Likewise, if there was an x in front of it, then it would be 2x plus 3 is 0, x minus 4 equals 0, or x equals 0. No other choices. No other choices. All right, well, let's factor or solve a quadratic equation. All right, the steps, and you should write these down, are really quite simple. 1, set equal to 0. So I'm going to add 3x to both sides. And I'm going to add 5 to both sides, plus 5. I want to cancel everything on this side and get 0. So I have 5x squared plus 19x plus 12. 2, I factor. We're experts by now. We have this down good. So we know we have to have 5x and x because 5 is prime, and x. And we know that 12 could be 12 and 1, 6 and 2, 4 and 3. Just looking at it, I can tell, first of all, it's plus plus. I can tell that it's 3 and 4. Keeping our equals 0 here. And you check, 15 plus 4 is 19. Always do the double smiley, always. And the last step, set each factor to 0 and solve. So I set this equal to 0, 5x plus 4 equals 0, and x plus 3 equals 0. Do the easy one first, minus 3, x equals negative 3, minus 4, 5x equals negative 4, divided by 5, divided by 5. And my solution, not in an ordered pair, in the curly brackets, negative 4/5, negative 3. That's all there is to it. Let's do one quick one more, and we'll be done. First of all, I'm going to set it equal to 0, minus 6x, and I get 10x squared cubed. Oops, this was a squared x and a squared, and a squared. Sorry about that. I copied the problem down wrong. 10x cubed plus 12 minus 6 is 6x squared minus 4x equals 0. And then I factor out my common factor, 2x, 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals 0. And I factor 5x plus minus and an x. I need a 2 and a 1. I can see by observation the 2 goes here and the 1 goes here. Minus 5x plus 2x. So this is a plus, this is a minus. 5x minus 2x is 3x equals 0. And now I set my factors equal to 0. 2x equals 0. 5x minus 2 equals 0. X plus 1 equals 0. Divide by 2, x is 0. That was pretty easy. Anytime the x is outside, you're going to get this result. Add 2. 5x equals 2. Divide by 5. And we get 2/5 minus 1, another easy one, and x equals -1. The solution then to our answer, again, curly brackets, 0, 2/5, and -1. That's it. All there is to it. Since you're now experts on factoring, this is easy. Talk to you later.